A few months later, Sophia and Daniel are officially a couple. They're having dinner with Emma and Jake to celebrate their relationship.
I still can't believe you two are officially dating now. This is so exciting.
Yeah, it feels like just yesterday we were planning that trip, and now look at you two happy and in love.
Honestly, we owe it all to you guys. If it weren't for that trip, we might have never gotten to know each other this well.
That's so true. I still remember that night by the bonfire when we started talking about our dreams and goals.
So tell us, when did you realize you liked each other?
For me, I think it was during our hike. Sophia kept stopping to take pictures of everything, and she looked so happy in nature. That's when I thought, wow, she's really special.
That's so sweet. For me, I think it was when you were starting the bonfire. You were so focused and confident, and I admired that. Plus, you made the best esmores.
So it was the esmores that won your heart, huh?
Not just the esmores, but they definitely helped.
So, who made the first move?
Well, I did. After the trip, I couldn't stop thinking about Sophia, so I texted her and asked her to go for coffee.
And of course, I said yes. We had coffee, then dinner, and then we just kept seeing each other. Everything felt so natural.
That's amazing. And now you guys are officially together.
You two are perfect for each other. I love seeing how happy you both are.
Thank you, Emma. And thank you, Jake. Seriously, we wouldn't have met if it weren't for you two.
Yeah, you guys are the best. We owe you big time.
No need to thank us. We just planned a trip. You two did the rest.
But now that we're talking about it, maybe we should plan another trip. A couple's trip this time.
That would be so much fun. Where should we go?
Maybe somewhere tropical, like Hawaii or the Caribbean.
Oh, I like that idea. A beach trip would be awesome.
Agreed. Let's start planning soon.
I love how we're celebrating one trip by planning another one.
Well, the first trip changed our lives, so why not?
Exactly. Here's to more adventures and more memories together.
Cheers to that.
They all clink their glasses, celebrating friendship, love, and new adventures.